disciplinary issue, a behavioral conflict, harassment, or a legal risk. The level of risk dictates the response. 2. The investigation. A quality investigation follows 4 key steps. Neutrality. The investigator must be unbiased. Documentation. Every interview, piece of evidence, and timeline must be meticulously recorded. This is your primary legal defense. The interview. Conduct structure. Separate interviews. Use open-ended questions and focus on facts, not feelings. Ask, what did you see or hear? Confidentiality. Assure interviewees that information will only be shared on a need-to-know basis, but clarify that absolute anonymity cannot be guaranteed if their statement is critical to resolving the issue. 3. The resolution and follow-up. Stay consistent. Solution. Be consistent with your established policies. Crucially, always follow up with the reporting party and the subject of the investigation to monitor the workplace environment. Phase 3. Culture building beyond the policy. The final and most powerful phase is integrating your principles into your company culture. This makes policies feel like values. Promote psychological safety. Create a culture where employees feel safe speaking up without fear of retaliation. Retaliation is often a bigger legal risk than the original complaint. Emphasize fairness and consistency. Treat every case, from a minor lateness issue to a major dispute, with the same documented process. Inconsistent application of rules erodes trust faster than anything else. Use data for improvement. Look at your data. What kind of complaints are recurring? Sexual harassment, bullying, absenteeism. These trends tell you exactly where training and intervention are most needed. Focus on development. Use minor conflicts as coaching opportunities for managers and employees to improve communication skills. Conclusion, summary, and call to action. Employee relations is an ongoing investment. When done right, it minimizes risk, protects your company's reputation, and ultimately fosters a motivated, productive, and ethical workforce. Career isn't about avoiding conversations, it's about having the right ones at the right time. Oh, what's the